That means the tigers are there, but they're deep inside somewhere.
Good morning, everyone. The time is now around 7:30, and after yesterday night's dinner, we were a bit tired, and hence we kind of dozed off a bit early itself. So actually, the guy who had to give us coffee kind of woke us up this early. Else might be would have slept even a bit more. But once we come out of our room and onto the terrace, you actually kind of get a hill view of the forest, which is pretty nice. But the overall condition of the resort is a bit okay. Not oh, is it there? Seems that they have an elephant spotted. Let's see.
Went in.
1:30 actually. Did you hear the tigers meeting call?
No.
Yeah,
Clear. 3 times it came now. Just about 10.
just that.
And twice in the morning at 6:30 also when I was up here, I heard that twice also. That means the tigers are there, but they're deep inside somewhere.
Okay.
You don't get to see them.
Right. I mean, my friend said, did you hear it? But I wasn't sure like what the sound is.
That's the meeting.
Okay.
It is heard up to a 10-kilometer radius. Been into the wildlife circuit for 30 years.
Really?
Till date, I have not spotted a tiger. Guys
Okay.
who have gone only just for once,
Okay.
and they've seen
that's
3, 4 tigers in one trip and come back.
and you haven't
Pure
seen.
luck. It's just
Right.
sheer luck.
Right.
I have even gone with the ranger of this place, Mandipur, way back in 76.
And still you haven't. These are my very small subscribers, and they happen to check if I'm a YouTuber, and when I said they just want to comment to the picture. So these are my new subscribers.
Hi! Please like and share, subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Thanks. Heading back towards the room, guys. Just finished our breakfast. It's a pretty nice spread of food, in fact. Be it the breakfast, lunch, or the dinner, considering the amount which they charge. But if you ask about the room maintenance, as in, not much, it's not that impressive. Pretty average is what I feel. This lock isn't opening now. Give you a view of the room. So this is what it is. I mean, pretty average. I mean, not much to show, but yeah. You can't ideally say it is well maintained, not well maintained. It's maintained pretty average, and that's the bathroom. So yeah, that's about it. Really, we plan to stay here for a couple of days, but after being here for the whole day yesterday, we kind of felt it is unnecessary prolonging it today. So hence we thought of heading towards Ooty. From here it is hardly around 60 or 70 odd kilometers. So the temperature is also below 10 is what I was said from the locals here.
Bro, weekends we catch up offer. Message match and you keep. Yeah, we'll join. Bye.
We've just entered the Tamil Nadu border. Seems to be a bit of traffic held up. So checking is pretty strict out here. They're very much particular about the e-pass.
E-pass எங்க அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்கீங்க நீங்க?
Ooty.
ஆனகட்டி வழியன்னு போட்டு இந்த வழியில வரீங்க. கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருந்து வரீங்களா?
Sir, and the options we're in the middle of Ooty city now, and seems like they've maintained the place really well. They've completely avoided any plastic products as such, and compared to a couple of years back when I came, this looks pretty neat now. And right now we've come to a place named Virtue Bakers. This is in the city itself. Apparently they are very well known for making signature dishes and their eatables. So we're just heading inside. They're special for their chicken bun, cheese slice and stuff. Can't wait to taste them. Just come to one of the chocolate shop. I mean, Ooty is pretty much famous for its homemade chocolates. So we've just come to this place named as Chocolates itself. It's right beside Botanical Garden. And they seem to have a pretty good collection out here. This is apparently at the peak of Dodbetta, guys, and it's pretty cold, but not as much as expected. Doesn't seem to excite us as much as it was before. Maybe due to the number of times we have visited here, most probably because of that. But still, if you haven't visited once, it's a must visit in Ooty. Good morning, everyone. This is the third and the final day. We're heading to Bangalore today, and we happen to some intruders in the morning. Today what happened was we went to Ooty and had plans of staying there, but kind of decided to head back at the last moment. So we just came back to Bandipur, to the same resort in fact, and we had a good time yesterday night. The dinner was good. Come to this restaurant named Jai Bhuvaneshwari. It is somewhere around 10 or 15 odd kilometers from Mandya. This place is very famous for its food and its quality of ingredients which they use. So we just come to this place. Our friends are having. How's the taste, guys? Good? They say it's good. I'm not having. I have some tummy pain. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತಂತೆ ಮುಂಚೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಗರಿದು
ಹಾಂ
ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಂದು 100 years ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲೆಗಸಿ ಇರೋದು
ಇದು
80 years ಬ್ಯಾಕು ಶೆಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂತ
ಹಾಂ
ಗರಿದು ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾರ್ಕಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ
ಹೌದಾ
ಅವ್ರ ತಾತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ಮಾಡೋದು
ಹಾಂ
ಇದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಸತಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಹಾಂ
ಈ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು 8 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿರೋದು
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಸ್ಪೂನ್
ಚಿಕನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಗುಡ್.
This is a hotel, guys, which you see. It's called it's named as the Jai Bhuvaneshwari, and it is along the highway itself. And this is how it is. It has a orange colored paint on it. So this is how you can identify this hotel if you happen to come down here. What's up, people? Yesterday after reaching home, I got head up with some other work, so hence couldn't end the video. Even though it was a short trip, just a 2-night one, it was pretty much fun. I hope you guys do like the video, and if you really like the video, do hit the like and subscribe button. See you in some other vlog then. Until then, bye bye.